Dora's Jungle Adventure, The Magic Map, and The Golden Butterfly. Once upon a time, in the vibrant world of Playa Verde, there lived a curious and adventurous girl named Dora. With her trusty backpack and talking monkey friend, Boots, Dora spent her days exploring the lush jungles, crossing rickety bridges and solving puzzles. But little did she know, a magical adventure awaited her that would take her beyond the familiar landscapes of Playa Verde. Chapter 1: The Mysterious Message. One sunny morning, as Dora and Boots set out on their usual exploration, a mysterious breeze carried a sparkling golden butterfly to Dora's side. Clutched in the butterfly's delicate wings was a small, enchanted map that shimmered with a magical glow. "Vamos a una aventura magica!" exclaimed Dora, her eyes shining with excitement. The map depicted an unexplored part of the jungle where a legendary golden butterfly resided. According to the map, finding the golden butterfly would bring prosperity and joy to Playa Verde. Chapter 2: Benny's Ingenious Inventions. As Dora and Boots delved deeper into the jungle, they encountered their friend Benny, the helpful blue fox who loved inventing things. Benny, intrigued by the magical map, decided to join their adventure. He brought along his trusty tools and a collection of ingenious inventions that would surely come in handy. The trio faced challenges along the way, from crossing a swift river using Benny's makeshift bridge to outsmarting Swiper, the mischievous fox who always tried to swipe things. With teamwork and the map's guidance, they overcame each obstacle, drawing closer to the golden butterfly. Chapter 3: Tico's Treehouse Fiesta. In the heart of the jungle, Dora, Boots, and Benny stumbled upon Tico's treehouse. Tico, the cheerful and adventurous squirrel, greeted them with a fiesta of delicious fruits and music. He was overjoyed to join their quest for the golden butterfly and added his nimble skills to the team. The enchanted map led them through Tico's treehouse and into a magical clearing where the trees whispered ancient secrets. There, they discovered a puzzle guarded by the mysterious forest spirits. With each correct answer, the path to the golden butterfly became clearer. Chapter 4: Issa's Garden of Wonders. Their next stop was Issa's Garden, a magical oasis where the friendly iguana Issa cultivated the most vibrant and exotic flowers. Issa, known for her green thumb, eagerly joined the adventure. Her knowledge of plants and nature proved invaluable as they navigated through the garden's twists and turns. The map revealed a riddle that led them to a hidden door within Issa's garden. Solving the riddle, they uncovered a secret passage to the butterfly glade, where the golden butterfly was said to flutter amidst a kaleidoscope of colors. Chapter 5: The Butterfly Glade's Enchanted Dance. As Dora, Boots, Benny, and Tico entered the butterfly glade, the air shimmered with magic. The golden butterfly, with wings that sparkled like the sun, greeted them with a graceful dance. However, the butterfly spoke in a language only understood by those with pure hearts. To communicate with the golden butterfly, Dora and her friends had to perform a magical dance. With Issa's guidance, Benny's rhythmic inventions, and Tico's lively tunes, they enchanted the butterfly glade with their joyous dance, earning the golden butterfly's trust. Chapter 6: The Golden Butterfly's Gift. Touched by the purity of their hearts and the harmony of their dance, the golden butterfly bestowed a magical gift upon Dora and her friends. It was a tiny, golden seed that held the power to bring prosperity and joy to Playa Verde. The friends planted the seed in the heart of the jungle, and as they watered it with kindness, the jungle blossomed with vibrant colors and life. The once hidden wonders of Playa Verde became a thriving paradise, and the golden butterfly's magic brought laughter and happiness to all. Chapter 7: Homecoming Fiesta. As Dora, Boots, Benny, and Tico returned to Playa Verde, they were greeted by their friends and neighbors. The once hidden wonders of the jungle were now open to everyone, and the enchanted map became a cherished artifact in the town's museum. In celebration of their magical journey, the residents of Playa Verde organized a grand fiesta. Dora and her friends danced, sang, and shared tales of their adventure. The golden butterfly's gift had transformed their beloved home into a haven of joy, proving that the true magic lies in friendship, kindness, and the spirit of adventure. Epilogue: a never-ending adventure. With the golden butterfly's magic spreading through Playa Verde, Dora and her friends knew that their adventures were far from over. The enchanted map hinted at more mysteries waiting to be uncovered, more challenges to be faced, and more magical moments to be shared. And so, the story of Dora's jungle adventure became a cherished tale in Playa Verde, inspiring generations to come. As long as there were hearts full of curiosity and a spirit of friendship, the enchanting world of Dora and her friends would continue to thrive, and the magic of Playa Verde would endure forever, would endure.